can't believe it. Whatever happened to the rest of the year?
Bonjour à tous. Hello everybody. Welcome to my channel. I'm glad that you are here.
Went by so fast.
Today, I'd like to share the recipe of Glühwein, an ultimate winter drink.
Now I'm calling all angels high.
I've made Glühwein or Wein dozens and dozens of times over the years. Glühwein means mulled wine in German, and Wein is mulled wine in French. This recipe I'm sharing with you is super easy and is so delicious. It will warm your cold winter night. I'm sure you will love it. Are you ready to make your own batch of Glühwein? Let's go. Allons-y.
That one place in my heart that was there from the start. I want that Christmas spirit again. I find myself wandering downtown, window shopping.
Every year, I crave Glühwein as soon as the temperature goes down and it's chilly outside. I love winter for many reasons, but probably I love it even more because I can finally justify myself to drink Glühwein when winter starts. So, what is Glühwein? It's a hot spice red wine drink that has been made very popular during the winter season in Germany and Austria. Maybe it's not true. Hot spice red wine drinks are very popular all over Europe. Also known as Wein in Francophone countries, mulled wine in Anglophone countries, Glögg in Scandinavian countries, Vino Caliente or Vin Brûlé in Italy, or literally 100 other names depending on where this delicious hot spiced red wine drink may find you. The history of Glühwein goes all the way back to the 2nd century BC when spiced and heated wine was recorded. Then, the Romans traveled across Europe and conquered much of it. They brought wine and viticulture with them up to the Rhine and Danube rivers and to the Scottish border along with their recipes. So, that's how spiced hot wine got popular all over Europe. I first fell in love with the drink in the mountains many years ago when we took a quick break from skiing in the Alps where we were served warm mugs of Wein. And later again at Christmas markets where I found several Glühwein vendors. This December was special because I was able to taste many different versions of Glühwein at Viennese Christmas markets and in the Austrian Alps. They were all wonderfully aromatic and flavorful, but I still think mine is one of the best Glühwein. Well, mind you, I might be a little biased, but not much. The biggest difference between Austrian Glühwein and Wein is that you add water to the Austrian mulled wine. Otherwise, they are quite similar. Here goes the recipe. Ingredients: 2 bottles of dry red wine. Any dry wine would do, but today I use Austrian wine. This wine is made with the Zweigelt grape, which is the most common red wine grape in Austria. 1 cup of water. You may add another half cup of water if you want to. 1/4 cup of brandy or other liquor. It's also traditional to spike your Glühwein with an extra bit of liquor. 1 orange sliced. 1 lemon sliced, plus another lemon for garnish. 1 teaspoonful of cloves. 2 cinnamon sticks. 1 whole nutmeg, it's optional. 1 teaspoonful of cardamom and or 1 star anise. They are also optional. 4 to 8 tablespoons of sugar depending on your preference of sweetness. I use only about 3 tablespoons because I don't like my glühwein too sweet. Also, I use fast dissolving sugar, but any sugar would do fine. But it's totally up to you. If you want your glühwein a little sweet, feel free to add a couple of more tablespoons of sugar.
As long as you're here, I know it's cold outside, but give
Put all the ingredients in a pot and bring it close to boil.
you what love is. Dear Christmas, I want you so. I don't need the presents, just wishing for snow and some company by those that I hold close. So Christmas, no need to be perfect, just don't wanna be here alone. I don't wanna be here alone.
Lower the heat. Let simmer but don't boil. Cook the glühwein on medium-low heat until it just barely reaches a simmer. Avoid letting it bubble. You don't want to boil off the alcohol. Reduce heat to low, cover, and let the wine simmer for at least 30 minutes or a couple of hours. Your kitchen would smell so pleasantly fragrant. Strain using a strainer. Remove and discard the orange slices, lemon slices, and all the spices you added to the wine mixture. Or you can simply take off the spices, fruit slices, and cinnamon sticks from glühwein.
Be forgot and days of old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear. For
Top your mug with a lemon slice and enjoy.
we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days
So easy, isn't it?
lang syne.
It's delicious and it will warm you up on a cold winter day.
And here's a hand my
I hope that this easy recipe will be useful to you.
As a hand of thine, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my
If you have enjoyed it, please do give this video a thumbs up. I very much appreciate it. Please subscribe if you want to see more of my weekly videos. I hope to see you again next week. Thanks for watching. I wish you a happy new year. Je vous souhaite une bonne année.